Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Volvo VNL headlights. First, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and the fuel tank is approximately half full. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape for this task. These steps ensure an accurate and effective adjustment. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight on your Volvo VNL. Transfer these measurements to the wall, marking them with clear horizontal lines. Then, find the center of your truck's front and mark a corresponding vertical line on the wall. These reference points are crucial for precise alignment. Now, let's adjust the beam height. Locate the vertical adjustment screws, typically found on the top or side of the headlight assembly. Turn these screws to raise or lower the beam. For optimal visibility and to avoid blinding oncoming drivers, the top of your low beam should align about 2 inches below the center mark on the wall when measured at 25 feet. Finally, double-check that both headlights are evenly aligned and properly aimed. Test your high beams to ensure they illuminate the road effectively without pointing too high. Take your Volvo VNL for a short drive to confirm the adjustments provide clear visibility and a safe beam pattern. Proper headlight adjustment is key for safe night driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.